All right. Okay.
So let me dial up this story on statistics.
Okay. Okay. Me too. I'm gonna open it also. Yeah.
So I'm open the story and I go to that second chart, which says
Yeah.
the graduation rates.
Yes.
And, I got a lot of questions about those figures. So,
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yes. 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 Here we
all
go.
right. So let's take the 2017 figures that are there.
2017. Yeah. Okay.
So let's say let's just say for easy computing,
Okay. Okay.
we have 100 first generation students in
Okay.
2017.
Okay.
So of the, so the 4-year graduation rate, this is saying that 35 of those 100 students graduated in 4 years.
Okay.
And,
Yeah. Right. Right.
and 42% didn't.
Okay.
But
I see.
so that would be like, I don't understand why those two don't add up to 100%.
Okay.
I
Okay.
mean, let's say you have 100 students, 35 graduated, that would
Yeah.
leave 65% who
Yeah.
didn't graduate in 4 years. So
Yes.
I have an issue with that. Then, when you go to the 5-year graduation rate,
Mm-hmm.
so we already know that 35% graduate,
Okay.
right? So 35 out of the 100 students, 35 are gone.
Okay.
So is the 47%
Mm-hmm.
figure, is that the part of the 65 students who are left? And that's a percentage of those students? Or is it a percentage of the 100 that started out 4 years earlier? So,
So, yeah.
so what do you think about that?
I agree with you. I think the criteria, the definition of the cohort here is not sure. So there is not so much clear criteria.
Yeah,
So I agree with you. So whether I think that let's see cohort year two, yeah, as you see this graph, the cohort year 2017 of in terms of cohort year 2017, if they
yeah,
finish within 4 years, they may graduate in 2021. And if 5-year graduate rate, in 5-year this column 5-year graduate rate indicate that they may graduate in 2022, and 6th year graduate, yeah, it takes 6 year means that they may graduate 2023, but I'm not sure whether my understanding is correct.
right.
Yeah.
So, so the 27, so I don't know whether the 2017 figure is taken from the students who enrolled in 2013.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's my another question.
Yeah,
Whether, yeah, it's really open to be, it's really open to be defined by everyone who may see this figure. Yeah, it really depends. So the
yeah,
criteria definition should be really clear. Yeah.
right. So the person at the university who is in charge of these figures
Yes.
needs to be able to explain to
Right.
our student
Right.
how these figures are arrived at, why they aren't at 100%. Whenever you start doing percentages,
Uh-huh.
you get to there are issues with them.
Yes.
I mean, we
So,
don't. Yeah, so I guess, and then when you get down to 2021 and
okay.
2022,
Okay.
why would 2021 be just 0.2% for each of the 6 categories?
All right. Right. Right.
I mean, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
I mean, why would it should be zero, I guess, because
Yeah, they are
you ha-
still on the college. Yeah, they,
they're still in college.
yeah, right.
And I think, I mean, if that's what this is supposed to show. So I guess I have some big issues with the with the whole chart,
Mm-hmm.
but specifically when you have percentages of in 2017, 2018, 2019, they don't, I just can't figure them out. I don't know how they reach
Yeah.
those percentages and why they don't total up to 100.
Right, right. So, okay, I'm gonna share my another additional update. Yeah, as you see, I had a chance to talk with Connor and So. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, not these two students, but I had a
okay,
chance to talk with these two students. In terms of these stories, I think that I asked them to not to send their final. We will not publish this story until
yeah,
every number is confirmed. So
right.
I asked them to conduct interviews, two additional interviews for the clarification. But let's see. Hold on. Connor.
So
Okay.
yeah, okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Here I'm gonna share additional screens. Yeah. Another screens here. This might be better. Yeah. Can you see this email? Yeah.
Yes,
Connor said essentially I interviewed the person responsible for the statistics. They not only explained to me that there was no discrepancy, but proceed to show me exactly why. Yeah, namely the fact book cannot be updated site graduation of semester that have not ended yet.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, I understand
Yeah.
that,
Right.
but they didn't, when Connor went to them and said, hey, I need an explanation
Yeah.
for these figures, they didn't give him an explanation.
Right. Right.
They basically said there was no discrepancy. Well,
Yeah.
have them explain it to him. I'm not even, I guess the person who's overseeing those figures,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I would just think that if Connor goes back to them and says, look, tell me why this doesn't add up to 100. Tell me
Okay.
how you figure out the percentages. How did you get to those percentage figures?
Okay.
And then and then if it goes to, okay, so in hang on a second. So in 2017, the 5-year
Here.
graduation rate of 55.5%, is that
Here.
percentage?
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah,
Here.
is that a percentage of the, let's say there's 100, again, let's say there's 100 students and in their 4th year. Does
Okay.
that mean that 42%, so 42 didn't graduate in the 4th year?
Oh, yeah.
And so then is the 55% a percentage of those 42? Or is it a percentage, again, going back to the 100?
I'm
You know,
still really not sure. Yeah.
right. So,
Very unclear. Yeah.
right. So to rescue the story, I guess if you wanted to, if there was a need to publish it, then
Oh,
I would,
not yet. Yeah. I think
yeah,
it should not be published until everything is cleared. I clearly talked to Connor and Nishikawa. Yeah.
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 So as long
So-
as Connor and Nishikawa know
Yeah.
what questions to ask,
Okay.
then that would be great.
Yeah.
And if the person that they're asking doesn't know the answers, well, then they have to go to that person's supervisor.
Supervisor. Yes. Okay.
Um,
I will work with them. I'm gonna protect them also. Protect my students. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Yeah.
But
Right.
yeah,
Of course.
it's a very difficult story. I mean, they have half the story.
Yeah.
The half
Right.
the story is that even though they have all of that, UW Green Bay has all of these resources available for
Yes.
first generation students,
Yes.
hardly any of those students use the resources.
Oh, yeah. Right.
And so that's half the story.
Yeah.
So they've got the first half of the story done well. It's the second, it's the figures part of the story that just doesn't work. And it's not their fault.
It's not their fault. Yeah. I already figured out that they did a really great job, but I already know that, but it's not their fault. Yeah.
Right. So, okay, those are the questions I had. It just,
Good, very good, very
Yeah.
good. Thank you, thank you. And hold on.
Yep.
I'm gonna, yeah, as you see, I'm in the classroom. Yeah, I'm gonna open another Zoom. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, still none of them are here. Yeah. Are you able to see the screen? Oh, yeah, this is my screen here.
I see your screen there. Now it's clear.
Okay. This is classroom. Reclaim. Close. Okay. Can you see? Can you only see me or?
Yes,
Okay. All right. This meeting. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna stop recording right now. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, how can I do that?
Recording in progress.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, there we go. That's what I want to see. Yeah.